Have you ever washed your hair in braids and still felt dryness or scalp itch after? Today, I'm sharing my full wash day routine on my 5 weeks old medium braids and how I gently care for my hair. Happy New Year, my beautiful people. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm taking you along my wash day routine while carrying medium braids. I started my wash day with Pre-poo using my DIY protein treatment. I applied the Pre-poo very gently. I focused on my scalp and the length of my braids. Pre-poo helps to reduce breakage, strengthens weak hair, and protects the hair. During washing, if your hair usually feels weak or shades a lot, Pre-poo can really help you. I allowed the treatment to sit for some time so my hair could absorb the goodness before shampooing. After Pre-poo, I moved on to shampoo. When washing my hair in braids, the most important thing is the scalp. A clean scalp helps prevent itching, odor, and build-up. I apply the shampoo carefully and massage my scalp gently. Take your time during this step. Wash day is not a race. Gentle care always gives better results. After shampoo, I applied my deep conditioner. Yes, even in braids, deep conditioning is still very important. It to sit for a while. Deep conditioning helps the hair feel softer and less dry. This step is very helpful, especially after shampoo. After rinsing out the deep conditioner, it was time to moisturize. I started with a leave-in conditioner